Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create old film Royal Palace reel. So let's get started. For this, you need to download Royal Palace images from the internet. I'm using unsplash.com. You can search Royal Palace or Palace Indoor in the search box, and in the filters, you need to select the orientation as portrait. And if you have many palace indoors, you can download them. You need to have 3 of this palace image and 4 of your own pose image. The own pose should be in traditional wear, so it will look good for this reel. Next, you need to have an video editor. So I'm using this app called VN. You can install the software from Play Store. After installing, click on the plus icon and click on new project and select your photo. Select photos like this. First your photo, then the palace photo, next your photo, then the palace photo, next your photo, then the palace photo, next your photo. Then click on the right arrow to proceed. We need to change the duration of these images. Before that, we need to change the frame ratio to 9:16. Then we need to change the duration of each photos. Place this white line in 2.5 seconds. And we need to trim the first image. And for the second image, place your white line in 3.7 seconds. Split and remove the extras. And next one need to be in 4.9. Split the image, delete the extras. And next one need to be in 6.2. Split and delete. And next one need to be in 8 seconds. And next one in 9.6. And trim the next one at 11 seconds. And remove this black part. And after changing the duration of the clips, we need to add a transition in between. For every clips, I'm adding a tip to black transition with the default value. And now click on the top right corner to export the video. Then press the tick icon. Add a title and description if you want and save to album. Now go to your Instagram and search for page to hots and click on this reels option and scroll down and select this reel and click on the original audio and save audio. Then click on the plus icon and select reel and click on the FX icon and search for old film. And save this effect. Now we need to add our edited clip. Click on that and select our video and click on audio and click on saved and select our saved audio. Then click on done and then click on add. Then click on preview. I'm not playing the sound, but you can hear the sound. Click on effects and select this old film effect and click on done. And that's it. You can download or click on next to proceed to post your reels. So that's it. This is how we can create old film Royal Palace reel. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.